Is it recording, Marty?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. You got Tracy here.
Martha.
Oh, look, Shuddy's in on the action.
Only dog that opens their own present.
I know, did you ever see such a thing?
Ridiculous.
You gonna put this on Facebook, Marty?
Yeah. Come on.
What a hot mess. Poor Mar-
Come on. Come on, Sass. Sass. Look. Sassy.
Here. Yes, tear it up. There you go. Get it.
Come on.
Get that.
That's amazing. We gotta get her on
This is Stella's gift, that Sass will open it.
funny videos.
She won't open it, will she?
Stella doesn't have a darn thing to do with it. Look at her paw on Margaret's hand. That's messed up.
Look, see it. Come on.
Boy.
Come on, Sass. Godzilla.
Sass, we're gonna put you on Animal Planet.
Come on. Finish it up. Come on. Sass. Okay. Here, go.
Here's Stella, not wanting to be the least bit involved except in the
Oh wait,
eating
they
part.
have more in their stockings, but we're going.
Except in the eating part.
Here it goes.
That's like, I love Christmas.
Just hit this off button to
Yeah.